Kirsten Romig, and I'm the botanist for the Jornada Experimental Range in Las Cruces, New Mexico. For the past 7 years, Connie, Maxwell, and I have been hosting the Jornada Field Botany Workshops. It started because I recognized the need for adequate plant identification skills for land management agencies and ecologists.
Well, I like the variety of vegetation here. You know, of course you have a lot of cacti, but you also have a lot of evergreens because you have water, so you have other perennials like moist area. And I really love the scenery around it because it's in a kind of a cove. And yeah, it's very beautiful.
I believe pointing out plants and attaching a name isn't enough because memory often fails us, especially if you don't see a plant regularly. My goal is to teach people how to key out and identify plants using key characteristics of the plant and familiarize people with plant terminology while guiding them with a dichotomous plant key, my favorite being Flora Neomexicana by Kelly Allred.
So what do you think of the botany workshop?
It's fun.
It's very fun.
There are so many amazing plants up here, is what I would tell anyone. And just the terrain, the location, and the view from up here is incredible.
A year just isn't enough. I'd like to participate more. Appreciate the background work that Kirsten has done, getting all the plants that she's researched.
This workshop is free and open to the public. Anyone can attend. The Jornada provides transportation, some of the plant identification books, and field lenses.
That makes sense. To get out of the office, get some fresh air, and remind myself that plants aren't just data. They're nice to be around.
Many government agencies, university professors, and graduate students, plus the Native Plant Society attend these workshops. It's on a first-come, first-served basis. Anyone can ask for the theme of the next workshop. It can be a researcher wanting an in-depth look at their study area, a particular plant family, a plant dissection class for understanding plant anatomy, or we can travel to other areas and look at the flora of a rancher, as we have done with Pitchfork Ranch near Silver City.
We walked through the riparian area at one of the most eastern springs, and we saw Lobelia cardinalis, which is beautiful. I hadn't seen much of that before. And we saw lots of interesting riparian plants that you don't see on most of the refuge. You know, they're sort of confined to those riparian areas.
It is my first time. This is my first time on this tour at the Jornada, and I think it's great. Awesome. I love it.
When I get a chance, I come back every time because you just learn something new every time.
I think this is one of my favorite spots to come out here. I really like all of the water and all the plants growing down there.
If you would like to attend these workshops and want to be on the mailing list, contact me at kirsten.romig@usda.gov.